Hello everyone, this is our Hobbies and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be painting Swiss Alps and green meadows in acrylics. You can now follow me on my Instagram. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please watch the video till the end. Before we start doing the painting, I'm going to let you know what materials and what colors I've used for this painting. So these are the swatches of the colors that I've used for this painting. The names of the colors are written right beside them. You can refer them and get the correct shade. For some swatches, I've used more than 2 colors. You can go back and refer the color chart. You can always go back and refer to the color chart that I've prepared for you. Now I'm painting the sky using sky blue with my big flat brush. Now I'm adding some cobalt blue into my sky blue for making darker areas in the sky. You can see that I've made a simple sketch of landscape, cottages and Alps to guide me through the painting. After I finished painting the sky with my sky blue, I've started blocking in the clouds using sky blue and white. For those who are watching my channel for the first time, hello, this is Art Hobbies and I'm your host. I created this channel during lockdown to share with you guys my art techniques. I have made many videos in acrylic and watercolor painting techniques. You can watch these by clicking on my channel logo that pops at the end of the video on the end screen. Now I am completing the clouds by making white highlights, and you have to do this step after your first layer of clouds are completely dry. And I'm doing this step using my medium flat brush, and I'm also going to merge my white in the sky, and you have to merge your white while the white is still wet. I am merging the white using a clean brush. The painting which I'm doing here is a scenery of Meadows, which is a beautiful village in Switzerland. There are only cottages here, no high-rise buildings because it was declared as an avalanche zone. And the writing on the post office buildings reads as summer brings green, winter brings snow, the sun greets the day, the stars greets the night. This house will keep you warm. May God give us blessings. The Alpine region of Switzerland is referred to as the Swiss Alps. The Swiss Alps extend over both the Western Alps and the Eastern Alps. Now I'm painting the peaks of the mountains using a combination of a bit of sky blue and cobalt blue, and I'm using my small round brush. I am also going to be painting some lines through the mountains that represents the crevices or the foothills. I made another combination of sky blue and cobalt blue, but this time I added more sky blue and I'm filling the mountains by following those lines which I made previously using the mixture. And now I'm giving more touch-ups using the darker shade of cobalt blue. And now I picked up sky blue on my brush directly without adding any shade or any color to it. And I made some highlights, as you guys can see there, by mixing a bit of white into my sky blue. Now I'm giving a hint of turquoise into the mountains by adding a color mixture of phthalo blue, cobalt blue, white, green plus sky blue. I am painting the edges of the foothills using the mixture of colors that I told you before, and the rest of the mountains I filled it with a bit of sky blue. Now I'm painting the roofs of the cottages using burnt sienna, and the walls are going to be white. You can paint it with white or you can just leave it. I made different shades of greens using hooker's green and lemon yellow, as you guys can see. And I'm painting the alpine trees using a mixture of a bit of lemon yellow and hooker's green. I'm going to be making alpine trees in the back lighter by adding lemon yellow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button now because it would mean a lot to me and encourage me to make more videos like these for you guys to watch and enjoy. And don't forget to hit that bell, notification bell. And I'm painting the hills by using a mixture of hooker's green and lemon yellow, but this time I'm going to add more lemon yellow. I am painting this painting on a canvas paper. You can also paint it on canvas, but you cannot paint the normal A4 size papers because acrylics will not look good on A4 size papers and nor on drawing papers. and I'm using my big flat brush. And this is the first layer of the meadows. And now I added just a bit of deep green in the meadows. Now I'm painting the grasses using leaf green, and I'm using my small round brush. And you have to paint the grasses after your first initial layer of meadows is completely dry. And now I'm adding some highlights on the grasses using lemon yellow. Now I am painting the flowers using scarlet, and I am using my medium flat brush. Now I'm giving highlights to the flower using bright orange. And now I am painting the weeds using hooker's green. I know that I've used a lot of hooker's green for this painting, but that color really brings the beauty in this painting. For painting the weeds, you just have to make a straight line with hooker's green and paint some odd looking dots around the stem or lines. Now I am painting some last few touch-ups here. And now I'm adding some more lemon yellow grasses in the far background. And now I'm adding more lemon yellow grasses in the far background using a fan brush here. Now I'm adding some more brightness into the flowers using another shade of bright orange. And now, finally, my painting is ready, and here's the close footage of my painting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching me paint.